Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy, and today I will teach you and I will talk about how to use YouTube's Q feature. Today's most popular video surveillance platform, I'm talking about YouTube, is having the Q feature that can be very useful to its users. While watching a video with this feature, you will be able to queue other videos you want to watch. So you won't be like, oh, let me watch this, but I don't want to lose this, so I don't want to touch that video right now. Forget about that. You can queue them. Yes. Unlike Netflix, YouTube was never really designed for binge watching. You could install extensions, but they never work well. Now you can officially create a video queue from any page, sit back and watch videos without leaving the player. Yes, you heard it right. It happens. You can do it. The video queue feature is available on the newly redesigned YouTube website. If you see bigger thumbnails on the homepage and the new Add to Queue button when you hover over a thumbnail, you have access to the feature. If not, you'll have to wait till YouTube rolls update for all users, but I believe most of us can. The Add to Queue button is available on the homepage, the search page, and in the recommendations menu. I mean, anywhere on YouTube. So no matter where you are, you can start a queue. You can do this while watching a video or before starting one. So here's how it works. What we're gonna do, just like I did, you to open the YouTube website on your computer, and then what should we do? We're just gonna be hovering over these videos. As you can see, I'm gonna add this to queue. I can go down, I can add this to queue, and they will appear here. So I would like to add a couple more. I would like to add this one and this one, and I'd like to listen to some music, so I will add this one too. Yeah, so our queue is not done. We can still add, or we can delete, or we can change the list. So let's see how we're gonna do that one. So this will instantly bring a mini player, as we can see right here. And how it works is this. We can press this play button and it will start playing just right there. So it will give us the space that we need for adding more videos to our queue. Or what we can do is we can touch here to expand the playlist like this. So right now we see all of them, like which ones, but let me see. After this video, I actually would like to watch this. So what do? I'm clicking on it and I'm dragging it right here. Or I can say, oh, I actually don't really need to watch this one. So what do? I hit the delete button, just like this. So it's actually very simple. And for example, we think, oh, okay, this 5 video is enough for us, so we would like to watch our videos on the big screen. What we do is right here is expanding by this, as you can see. Now it's all over, and we can still change our queue like this, or we can still delete things. It's very simple, right? Even when we're on this same page, what we can do is we can go down. I'd like to add this to queue. It's added. I would like to add this also. It's added. It's so simple. And when we decide to, like, yes, okay, let me just watch it. When we press this button, it will start playing. After it finishes, it will start playing the next one and the next one and the next one. So here you are. You'll have the access. You'll see all the videos itself. If you want to move up a video, you know how you can do it right now. If you want to delete it, you know how to do it right now. If you want to add more, you know how to do it way more. So right now you have the access to video players, fine-tuned controls. You can see the comments when you're expanded like this. You can make the video full screen even, and you'll still find your queue on the right-hand side of the screen. So if you have used Watch Later feature before, you'll be familiar with the UI, so this user interface. So it's good. Now we can go full screen and sit back, and we can hit that play button and enjoy. All the videos in the queue will be playing after the other, so no need to worry about random recommended videos playing thanks to the autoplay feature. Unlike Watch Later, the queue feature is only limited to the current session. When you close the web page, you'll lose the queue as well. So what that means is you have to sit down and watch all of your videos, or you might lose them and you might not find them. So you can start putting, after you watch me, you might want to watch this video, that video, so you can add them to your queue. And I hope that I am in the queue again, not just playing right now. So thanks for watching, and do not forget to hit that button right there. It starts with S, ends with E. Yes, I'm talking about subscribe button. Also, I need those thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Any question will be answered. I'm waiting for your questions, your feedbacks, or anything in your mind. Thanks for watching. See you.